The fundamentals of solving equations in 112 seconds. Let's go. What does it mean to solve an equation, guys? It means to find the value of x which satisfies that equation. In other words, in this first example, find the value of x which, when we multiply it by 2 and then subtract 16, gives us 24. Now, the method is going to be actually exactly the same as when we rearrange to make x the subject. What we're going to have to do is rearrange this equation to make x the subject. That's going to give us x equals some number. So what are we going to do? First off, we're going to plus 16 to both sides, moving that minus 16 over to the other side. We're going to get 2x equals 24 plus 16. That's going to be 40. And then what's preventing the x from being on its own? It's being multiplied by 2. So we can divide both sides by 2. What's that going to give us? It's going to give us x equals 40 divided by 2, which is going to be 20. What about this next example then? When we have an x on both sides of our equation, the key, guys, is going to be to firstly move all of the x's onto one side of the equation and then to move everything else to the other side. Let's see what I mean. So we have a 4x on the left-hand side and a 2x on the right hand side. We're going to move this 2x over to the other side by subtracting 2x from both sides. Minus 2x minus 2x. We're going to get on the left hand side 2x plus 7. And on the right hand side, that plus 2x and that minus 2x are going to cancel each other out, and we're just going to be left with minus 11. Next, what can we do to get the x on its own? Well, we want to move that plus 7 over to the other side, so we're going to subtract 7 from both sides. What's that going to give us when we do it? Minus 7 minus 7. We're going to get 2x equals minus 11 minus 7. Using our knowledge of subtracting negatives, guys, that's going to be minus 18. And finally, at the moment, the x is being multiplied by 2, so we're going to divide both sides of our equation by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. When we do that, we're going to get x equals minus 18 divided by 2. That's going to give us 9, guys, giving us x equals minus 9 as our solution to the second question.